I am going to read English newspaper. Up workers protest against LG Saxena. The Aam Aadmi Party workers mounted a protest here against Lieutenant Governor Vinay Kumar Saxena after Delhi Chief Minister Atishi was stopped from meeting climate activities Sonam Wangchuk, Wanguchak at Bhawana police station, Wanguchak, and around 120 others on a march to Delhi demanding sixth schedule status for Ladakh were detained at the Sindhu border on Monday night. The Delhi police has stepped up security around the Bhawana police station where Wangchuk has been kept after being detained. Permission to meet Wangchuk, the chief minister, slammed the BJP and the lieutenant governor, alleging that this is dictatorship. I reached Bhawana police station to meet Sonam Wanguchak ji and 150 brothers and sisters of Ladakh. Delhi police did not let me meet them. We were told that LG Sahab called and ordered not to let me meet them. This dictatorship is not right, Atishi alleged in a post on X. She said that Wanguchuk, Wanguchuk. The people of Ladakh are also fighting against the LG's rule and demanded that the same rule be ended in Delhi as well. The people of Delhi stand with the people of Ladakh. The LG rule should end in Ladakh. Also, the LG rule should end in Delhi. Ladakh and Delhi should get the status of a full state, the chief minister said on being prevented from meeting Sonam Wanguchak. The people of Ladakh, the Delhi CM expressed, I am sure that because of LG Saab's phone call, the representative of the elected government, the chief minister of Delhi, was not allowed to meet Sonam Wanguchak because BJP is afraid of the voice of the common people, afraid of democracy. Scores of AAP workers protested outside the Bhawana police station against Delhi LG. AAP Supremo Arvind Kejriwal also objected to Wanguchak's detention and said Delhi is not any single person's inheritance. Everyone has the right to come here. Sometimes farmers are stopped from entering Delhi at other times. Ladakhis are stopped. Is Delhi someone's personal property? Delhi is the national's capital and everyone has the right to come here. This is completely wrong. What are they so afraid of from unarmed, peaceful people? He asked, slamming the detention. Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia said, is Sonam Wanguchak a terrorist? Why does the central government want to stop them from entering Delhi? He alleged that the BJP was working on converting every state into a union territory and jailing those who happen to oppose it. Wanguchak and several of his associates have gone on an indefinite fast at police stations where they have been kept. According to police sources, they were all examined by a team of doctors. Wangchuk was leading the march, Delhi Chalo Padyatra, which began from Leh a month ago. He and around 120 others from Ladakh were detained on Monday night. The march was organized by the Leh Apex body, which along with the Kargil Democratic Alliance has been spreading an agitation for the past 4 years to demand statehood for Ladakh, seek its inclusion under the sixth schedule of the constitution, early requirement process along with a public service commission for Ladakh and separate Lok Sabha seats for Leh and Kargil districts. Wangchuk and those accompanying him were detained at the Delhi border for violating prohibitory orders and were taken to different police stations including Bhawana, Narela Industrial Area and Alipur. According to a police officer, we tried to convince them to go back as section 163 of the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, which prohibits assembly of 5 or more people is imposed in the national capital, but they were adamant. The officer said